Alright, we're going to work on this problem through table usage. Fewer people in the math world do tables. I'd like them more. Um, Basically, whenever you fill this out and you put it in, you put whatever the category is here, you put its complement next to it, and then you put the total on the end. And whatever's over here, you put that category there, its complement, which means whatever's not that, and then its total on the end. And then the total ends up being here. I'm going to show you. 2/3 of students at Lugo Belgian High School complete their e-learning assignments. So, and you could have put it over here. It doesn't matter if you start. I like working across first. Why not? So 2/3 of them, in total, 2/3 of them complete their e-learning. What would be the opposite of that? Oh, that looks fuzzy. Not completing their e-learning assignment. That would be the opposite of that. It says not complete. That does look. The more I stare at it, the better it looks, but that's okay. And that's an orange dot. I mean, purple dot that shouldn't be there. All right. So real quick, if 2/3 of them complete it, how many do not? The other 1/3. Right. By the way, this right here would be all or one. 5 out of 12 students ask their teachers for help with their assignments. So over here, that's a whole different category, whole different topic, right? Ask for help. No ask. Right? And it said 5 out of 12 asked their teachers for help. That's the total. Gonna get some fun common denominator issues here. So 5 out of 12 ask their people for help. That means the other 7 out of 12 do not. And I already see that we're gonna start having 12s. So 1 out of 3 is the same thing as 4 out of 12, and 2 out of 3 is the same thing as 8 out of 12. Alright. However, 1 out of 4 students asked their teacher for help, yet failed to complete any e-learning assignments. So 1 out of 4 ask for help, but don't complete their e-learning. By the way, common denominators again. Times 3. That's going to be 3 out of 12. Right? 3 out of 12, 4 out of 12. That must mean that this is 1 out of 12. 3 out of 12, 5 out of 12. That must be 2 out of 12. 7 out of 12, 1 out of 12. That must be 6 out of 12. Right? And now just double check everything adds up. 2 and 6 makes 8. 3 and 1 make 4. 5 and 7 make 1. We're good. Now I have all the pieces. Now I'm ready to look at the question. What is the probability that a student at LEHS does their e-learning assignments? So these people, no, I'm never going to circle anything in the tables. I just circle which in the center, these 4 things I'm looking for, right? Probably that does their e-learning assignment, or ask for his or her teacher for help. That'd be these other ones, right? So I just add up those 3 pieces. 2 and 6 is 8, and 3 more is 11 out of my total 12. And that's it.